How do? Well, I'm in the middle of a forest, you know. Absolutely brilliant park up at Haworth. It's free. Yeah. Oh, little jocks there with us. It's 1940s weekend at Haworth, like I say. So I'm going to be doing a bit of videoing. I haven't brought my GoPro, so if the camera's a bit shaky and everything, it's because I'm using my phone. This is only one car park. There's about 5 tiers, which I'll show you a bit later on when I have another walk around. Excellent toilet facilities, look. Apart from number 2s. Yeah, so yeah, we're going into Haworth now for breakfast. Then we're going to have a walk around and see what's going on. And it's only Friday. Big days tomorrow. Welcome to Haworth.
The cigarette that satisfies presents America's #1 dance band with America's #1 swing trio. Glenn Miller and the Andrew Sisters, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 3 times every week. And now, here's...
Sing. Oh, Johnny! Oh, Johnny, Johnny, how you can love. Oh, Johnny! Oh, Johnny, Johnny, heavens up above, way above. You make my sad heart jump with joy. And when you're near, I just can't sit still another minute. Oh, Johnny! Oh, Johnny, Johnny, please tell me, dear, what makes me love you so? You're not got no strings to hold me down, to make me fret or to make me frown. I had strings, but now I'm free. Baby got no strings on me. Hi-ho, the merry oh, I'm as happy as can be. I want her to know nothing ever worries, never to part. What moments divine, what rapture serene, till clouds came along to disperse the joys we had tasted. And now when I hear people curse the chance that we wasted, I know but too well, I know too well what they mean, too well what they mean. So let them begin.
You're the tear that comes after June time's laughter. You see so many dreams that don't come true. Dreams we fashioned when summer time was new.
When Chico sings in Puerto Rican, his sweet sonata, there's nothing hotter. Malaja para la basquelata. Chico, it's the talk of the tropics. He's very gay with this new way of wooing. He's a new Romeo. I could say Bella, Bella, even say wunderbar. Each language only helps me tell you how grand you are. I've tried to explain about me if it's to shame. So kiss me and say you'll understand. For me if it's to shame you. love is so. I can't control my heart. I love you much too much. And all that the lady can say. There's a light in her eye, though she may try to hide it, she cannot deny. There's a light in her eye. Senorita, donkey-seater, not so fleet as a mosquito, but so sweet like Marcia. There'll be love and laughter and peace ever after. Every little Dutch girl says, yeah, 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 yeah. Every little Russian says, da, da. But sweetheart, oh, why won't you tell me why? No matter how much I try, please tell me why. Da, 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 da. Won't you listen to my plea? Won't say yes.
Well, Alvarez do jazz for friends.
Oh, I know you're very big
Yes, believe it or not.
I do believe I do indeed.
Frenchmen all prefer what they call lay jazz house.
Each language only helps me tell you when you are. I try to explain, but we're just ashamed. So kiss me and say you understand. We're just ashamed you would. But let me try to explain. Come here, we're just ashamed you.
smoking definitely milder cigarette. We'll all be with you every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at the same time. Paul Douglas speaking and saying that Chesterfield is the cigarette that satisfies.
There'll be bluebirds over the white cliffs of Dover tomorrow. Just you wait and see. There'll be love and laughter and peace ever after tomorrow, when the world is free. The shepherd will tend his sheep, the valley will bloom again, and Jimmy will go to sleep in his own little room again. There'll be bluebirds over the white cliffs of Dover tomorrow. Just you wait and see. The shepherd will tend his sheep, the valley will go to sleep in his own little room again. There'll be tomorrow, just you